This is Mickey Finn by Tinnie. You can see that the front's been modified a little. Here's the keys. That's the bitting. Show that it works. Try to get into it. I'm going to use a 50 thousandths Peterson pry bar in the top of the keyway and the 15 thousandths multi-pick deep hook. So click out of 1, hit 2, but I dropped 1. 1, 2. All right, click out of 3, 4, 5. Puts it into a false set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. We're back into a false set. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and it's open. So yeah, that's Mickey Finn by Tinnie.